Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to build an aquarium inside of Subnautica 2. So currently, until they release the new foundations, this is going to end up being a bit on the cumbersome side in order to build, but you got to start out with a foundation of basic rooms, and then you need to outline the size that you want in an aquarium using more basic rooms on a second level, making sure that you more than overlap the rooms, because if there's even a teensy weensy bit of a gap between the edge and the floor, the fish are going to be able to glitch out and escape. Then you need to put a cover on it. You don't necessarily need to have the cover being quite as wide as I made the base, but it definitely helps when you make sure that there is absolutely no gap in the seam around the base, the rim, and also the lid of your fish tank. Then you can make a doorway into the interior, and then you can start adding things like lights. Now do remember that you can't use any interior lights because as far as the game is concerned, this is considered outdoors, which means you can still put in things like windows and some outdoor spotlights, but you can't use indoor lights, which are a little less harsh. After that, you can use some grow beds. I recommend using the snap feature just because it's a little easier to create the most edge-to-edge garden possible. And then you can give your fish a little bit of an environment to live in, where they've got access to things like, you know, big, tall, glowing plants and little plants and green, glowy plants. Pretty much everything you can shove in here that you prefer for the plants from the environment around you, that you can also put in a garden. I recommend just stuffing in here. They don't actually need it. It's not like fish have some sort of life cycle in this game yet, but it adds a nice decor feature when you're starting to set up like a decorative aquarium inside of your base. So why not go for broke and add as many things as you can cram in there? Then you just need to get a whole bunch of fish. Pretty much anything you can pick up and then drop will work. And then just place them wherever inside of your aquarium. I will warn you though that if you have too many fish like I did and they start to shoot everywhere, they do still tend to bug out and either glitch through the walls or glitch through the ceiling up into the containers and the rooms above you or below you, simply because it's early access, so the wall collision and everything is still a bit on the janky side, but I still think it ends up looking really cool. And you can make him as big or as small as you want. I just kept it smaller so that this tutorial didn't take too long. So that's basically the gist of how you make a big aquarium inside of Subnautica 2. Hopefully they add regular aquariums like they had in Subnautica 1. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.